Hi friends, I'm Leonie. I am going to show you how to make a crocheted dream catcher on a painting. I would like to call it a crocheted painting. This work is a combination of crochet dream catcher on a painted canvas. This could be a project that you can try even if you are a beginner. You could use it to decorate your house or give it as a gift for someone. I have made separate videos on how to make crochet feathers and how to crochet doily, which you could find the link in the description below. Let's start. First, we will attach the doily around the ring. Single crochet into 5 chains. Hide the tail. One single crochet. And make 16 single crochet on the ring. Now we have 16 single crochet. Grab the 5 chains and 1 single crochet. Single crochet. Continue repeating the same sequence until you reach the end of this round. Now we will assemble our dream catcher on the painting. Make some chains to attach the feather to doily. I have used white glue to my work. Spread the glue all over the back of the doily. Now we will add some beads on our feathers. Spread some glue at the back of the feathers. Attach our feather to the doily. Now our dream catcher is done. Hope it helped you and would also try making your own. If you make one, please don't forget to share the photos in the comments section below. Also, please subscribe to my channel to be notified on my new videos. Thanks for watching.